Worksheet 14, Kinds of Adjectives. Children, before starting the chapter, we will discuss what are adjectives. Children, adjectives, according to the book, are the words that modify nouns. Okay, adjectives are the words that modify nouns. Understood? In other words, you can say adjectives are the words that tells us the quality or the speciality of a noun. Okay, what are these words tell us? It tells us the speciality or quality of the noun. Or we can say that these are the words which tells us more about the noun. Okay, it tells us more about the noun. So those words are known as adjectives. For example, bright sun, cold wind, beautiful girl, hungry dog, ferocious lion. In this, children, the words bright, cold, beautiful, hungry, ferocious are all adjectives. Understood? And sun, wind, dog, girl, lion are all nouns. Okay? So, on the basis of this definition, you have to do the warm up exercise. So, I have given the answers as well. Just follow it and then you write. Bright sun, beautiful swan, clean shoes. Now you can see they are showing the speciality or they are showing the quality. What kind of nouns are these? Then the fourth one, hot tea. How the tea is? It is hot. So hot is the adjective over here. Then puppy is cute. How the puppy is? Puppy is cute. Dirty factory. Venomous snake. Venomous means children zehreela. So it's venomous snake. Intelligent teacher. How the teacher is? Intelligent. Busy road. How the road is? It is busy. Further, children, on the basis of position of adjectives in the sentences, the adjectives are divided into two types, attributive adjectives and predicative adjectives. Children, in attributive adjectives, we talk about those adjectives which are placed before the nouns. Okay? जो adjectives की position noun के पहले होती है sentence में, that is called an attributive adjective. Okay, as you can see in the example, a mouse has a long tail. How the tail is? It is long. The noisy students were punished. So here you can see that noisy is the adjective and students are the noun. So this is an attributive adjective. Then children, predicative adjective, when we talk about, are those adjectives that are placed after the verb, जिनकी पोजीशन जो है सेंटेंस में verbs के बाद में होती है. ओके, verb के बाद में होती है. दे आर नॉट नियर टू द नाउन बट दे आर नियर टू द verb, और verbs के बाद में आती है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? प्रेडिकेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स कहते हैं. जैसे this trek is dangerous. Okay, she is kind, he looks upset. So you can see the adjective is coming at the last after the verb, not near the noun. So it is known as predicative adjective. Okay, on the basis of attributive and predicative adjective, children, this exercise is given on page number 59. You have to identify whether the sentence is having an attributive adjective or a predicative adjective. So the first sentence here is the clown is funny. So the sentence here is predicative because funny is written after the verb. Is the verb over here. Okay, so it is a predicative adjective. Okay. She is a nice girl. This is an attributive adjective because nice is just before the noun. And who is the noun in the sentence? The girl. He is a rich man. This is also an attributive adjective. It's long poem. It's a long poem. It is again an attributive adjective. Then the E one. The wall is quite thick. So this is predicative adjective because how the wall is, it is quite thick. Okay. I am afraid. Afraid here is predicative because of again am is the verb. Okay. Then the guilty people are punished. So here it is an attributive adjective. The puppy is sick. It is a predicative adjective. His costume is strange. It is a predicative adjective. This is a difficult assignment. Again, children, it is an attributive adjectives. I hope this topic is clear to you and it is a new one for you all. So please read the definitions thoroughly and then we will move to the next section of the chapter. For the children, these adjectives are divided on the basis of how they are used in the sentence. So the different type of adjectives given in the book are adjectives of quality, adjective of number, adjective of quantity, demonstrative adjectives, possessive adjectives, interrogative adjective and distributive adjectives. All these we have started earlier as well. So please we'll have a quick revision of all these definitions. The first, children, you can read the sentences. This is a new book. The building is old. In these sentences, the highlighted words describes the noun, book and building. How the book is? The book is new. And how the building is? The building is old. So adjectives which talk about the quality of a person or thing are called adjective of quality. Whenever there is a word which shows the quality of a person or a thing, okay, of the noun, quality of noun. So it is called adjective of quality. Okay, like new book, old building, beautiful girl, intelligent boy, fluffy kitten, like that. Okay. Then further, children, we have other types also. Then again, read the sentence. I have 5 ice cream bars. Today is my 4th day in the school. Children, here you can see the highlighted words in red. They are 5 and 4th. Okay. So in these sentences, adjectives which tells us about the number or position of the person or thing in a series are called adjectives of number. When we talk about number and position, okay, then it is called adjective of number. Like she stood first in class, she got second position in the 100-meter race. I have 5 ice creams, I have 4 pens, there are 5 students writing in the class, etc. Then, after the adjectives of number, we have adjective of quantity. When it tells us about the amount, the quantity of the thing. Kitna hai wo? Okay. Like, I ate some rice for lunch. How much rice I have used? I have used some rice. Okay. All students are waiting to board the bus. Who all are waiting? All the students are waiting to board the bus. So here these highlighted words, what do? They specify or they show the amount of the noun. Okay. Like words, so some words like much, more, most, some, little, all these words show us the quantity of the noun. Okay, so that is why they are known as adjectives of quantity. Then children, we have demonstrative adjectives. What does they do? Adjectives which point at specific people or thing. When we show someone something, that is called demonstrative. Demonstrative means to show, demonstrate करना, किसी को कुछ दिखाना. Okay, and these words like this, these, that, those, all are demonstrative adjectives. You can see the examples. This pen was gifted to me. These mangoes are sour. That girl is Mohit's sister. Those blocks are antiques. So, all these words show us or demonstrate us about the noun. So, that is why this is known as a demonstrative adjectives. Then further children, we have possessive adjective. Possessive adjective, what does it show? It shows the belonging or it shows the ownership. Okay, it shows the ownership, it shows the belonging कि ये किसको belong करता है या ये चीज़ किसकी है या वो noun किसका है. Okay, like she is my sister. I forgot my wallet. Our flight was on time. They have found their kitten. So all these words show the possession. हमारा क्या बताते हैं वो कि ये किसको बिलोंग करता है या चीज़, ये नाउन, ये किसको किसका है. ओके, सो them we call possessive adjectives. Understood? Then children, on page number 62, it is given distributive adjective. What does distributive adjective tells us? It refers to the member of a group as individual. Okay, member of group as individual. Like you can see in the sentences, each commentator was given a flask. Means there are so many commentators there and everyone has been given a flask. Okay, every staff member, because staff is a collective noun. Okay, so every staff member was allotted a locker. Everyone has a locker in the staff. Okay, either staircase leads to the terrace. Either staircase, कोई भी staircase जो है, it is going to the terrace. Neither restaurant has free home delivery. None of the restaurants, there are so many restaurants in the city but they are not having home delivery facility. So the sentence written over here is neither restaurants has home delivery. So all these words like each, every, either, neither refers to the member of a group as individual. और ऐसे वाले adjectives को हम क्या कहते हैं? Distributive adjectives कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? Distributive. Okay, जब एक ग्रुप में से हम किसी एक ग्रुप में से किसी एक के बारे में बात कर रहे होते हैं. Understood? I hope you do. If you have any doubt children, that also you can ask. Okay, now children, I will be sending you the PDF of all the exercises. So please sit and write, or I can say please fill the exercises in your book neatly and don't forget to put the date.